So we're gonna make what?
Pão de queijo.
Pão de queijo da vovó Thelma?
We're gonna make pão de queijo.
Yeah. Who makes the best pão de queijo?
Grandma.
Grandma. Yeah, I lose to Grandma on this one.
I'm giving away her secret recipe.
How many do you need?
I don't know.
You need to ask Grandma?
Yeah. Should we call her? Okay.
Oh.
Hi. How much eggs do we need to make pão de queijo? 12?
Eggs? You're talking about the eggs?
Yeah, for the pão de queijo. How much do we need?
12.
Are you happy we're gonna make pão de queijo?
Yeah.
Alright, so what is this? First thing we need.
I don't know.
This is polvilho.
Polvilho. How do you say English?
Polvilho, tapioca starch,
Ew.
or cassava starch.
Ew. It sounds like fart.
Sounds like what?
Fart.
Okay. Alright, so you need 500 grams.
Mom, does this one smell good?
500 grams.
500?
500 of polvilho.
Oh no.
Fala polvilho.
Polvilho.
No.
It's
fine.
Smells good. Oh my gosh. 500%.
500 grams.
500%.
Grams.
Percent.
Water
By myself.
in here.
I think I can do it by myself.
Oh god. Oh god. Okay, oil.
Oil
So 1 cup water,
is easy.
1 cup oil,
Oil number.
canola oil, and 1 cup milk over your god. Say tip from James.
Tip from James.
Try not to spill.
Try not to spill.
Daddy gets mad. The butter goes in here too. Grab the butter.
I'll put it in. The whole thing?
The whole thing. Don't drop it. Don't. Close. There you go. Bring this to a boil. Okay. And then we're gonna put it on here. We're gonna put it in the fire.
I'm gonna help.
Yep.
Stop. Stop.
Can you crack 2 eggs at once?
No.
Can Daddy show you how? You ready? You ready? You think you can do this? You think you can do this? No? See?
That's hard. I just do 1 egg. That's finished.
How cool is that? It's boiling,
What
right?
the heck?
Now you're gonna pour it on here like this, and you're gonna mix.
I'm
Mix
mixing
while you pour. Daddy's showing you, okay? Next after this.
egg.
Egg, but first we gotta let this cool a little bit, okay? This is, the reason you wait is because you don't want to burn your hand when you do this, right? And also you don't want to cook the eggs, so if it's too hot you're gonna cook the eggs. You want the eggs to cook in the oven, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, alright? And then first thing we're gonna do, Daddy's gonna mix it with his
Can I
hands.
mix it too?
Yeah, go for it. You gotta squeeze it. Alright, let Daddy do a good mix,
Can I
okay?
smell?
Yeah, smell.
Hey. I'm gonna do that to you.
No, no, no. Ah! No, 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 that's it.
Mama helping?
What do we got? Alright, so, again, Pecorino.
Pecorino.
Pecorino Romano.
I don't know how to say that.
Alright, here. Cheese. So always add your salt after you add your cheese, because you want to taste it, because cheese is salty, right?
Yeah.
You don't want to add too much
My
salt.
hands is getting all stuck.
Alright, so we're going to add some salt.
Uh-oh.
eyeball some in.
Hey.
Just a pinch of salt. This is what your dough should be like. Good? Look, this is a good tip. So people can put a little bit of dough here. Just a little bit. You know what that does?
What?
It helps the paper stick in place.
I can see it.
You can see it, right? So, Daddy likes to put a little bit of grease in his hand, see? Oil.
And then...
So make sure your hand is pretty well greased. Bless you. You're gonna do that too? Then I'll put a scoop, see? One scoop. And then I'll roll it.
It's very greasy.
More. Good, there you go. Well, it's always good to put it in the fridge too, right? So it cools down and then it's easier to scoop. Well, we don't want to wait today.
No coffee.
Want coffee?
No.
No?
No.
Is this better than Grandma's?
Mm.
Is this better than Grandma's? This is pretty good. But it's Grandma's recipe, so Grandma wins, right?